marker plan for the skirt. Create new marker, yes. Select the folder you wish to save it in. And now select the pattern from the beginning. So I got all the patterns here when we had saved them before. And next step is to go to setup, fabric, and fabric width to be 60. Then go to setup again, select piece setup so I can find the number of pieces I want to add into it. So back I need 1, back 2 also 1, front is 1, and so is the waistband. Apply. Now go to setup again and select ratio. So I am going to feed in the ratio according to our order. So say we need 2 large pieces, so put in 2 right there and apply. Now at the bottom you can see that L is showing 2. Now place the sections in the working area by pressing tab and just keep dragging it like that and adjusting as you do. Just keep in mind that it should all come within the grain line. And now we can save this. It will show you the marker status. Now, as you can see, the unplaced pieces are 3. So we need to add 3 more pieces in place. Now as you can see, there is a piece outside the working area. We need to count it within the working area so the total pieces can account to 16. Now the total pieces are 16 in all. Now select calculations, consumption, and we can now see the marker consumption. Fabric width is complete 60 inches. You can check the total pieces. They're all given here. Now if you want a mini marker, select generate marker report, then select mini marker and click print. Now if you have a printer connected, it will automatically connect and print. Else we can simply save the file. I'll just name it skirt marker. Now we can check the file by opening it. The skirt marker, the report, and all the other details have been given here. You can cross check all these details here, and that's it.